Are you ready for the drive through Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge? GoPro 4K, really fast. 1, 2, 3, let's go! The bison and longhorn are wild animals. They're big and fast. They can run 40 miles an hour. They can harm you, they can kill you, but if you leave them alone, they will ignore you. This is Mount Scott, which is more than 1,000 feet above the surrounding area. There's a road to the top, but it is closed due to being washed out in heavy rain. It's still open to bicyclers and hikers. It's a favorite place for outstanding views and very popular for rock climbers. This is where the American bison were saved. They were almost wiped out in North America. In 1907, a herd of 15 was shipped here from the New York Zoo. In 1912, the wild turkey was reestablished here. It took several tries to establish a population. Rock climbing is popular in the Wichita Mountains. Texas longhorn were saved here in 1927. They're descendants of Spanish cattle that went wild. Deer here come right into camping areas. Some really cool old houses people used to stay in on the refuge. Is the road to Quanah-Parker Lake and Dam. The Quanah-Parker Lake and Dam were built in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps. It's a beautiful beautiful flower garden everywhere in spring. This is Lost Lake on the Dog Run Hollow Trail. Where does the 2,000-pound bison go? Anywhere he wants to. Here's the prairie dog town. You can stop and watch the prairie dogs play, dig up the grass, eat it. The little babies running around, hear all the noises. Hiking trail going up Elk Mountain. There's rock climbing on Elk Mountain. Shine Gardens is an amazing, rugged wilderness area. The longhorns have multiplied and are doing well here. Hope you liked it. That was all the way through the Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge. If you like this, please go down below and click the like button, click the share button, and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.